This is challenge 1 for Mechatronics 404 fixtures and workflows. Drilling a 1x3 inch board with a drill press and getting the hole in the exact same spot on multiple boards each time. So our main concerns here are the board could lift up, which this lip prevents that, or the board could shift, which this corner will prevent that as long as we butt it up right here. Or the board could turn counterclockwise on us along with the drill bit. And once again, as long as we butt it up to this corner, we should be fine. So another concern is chip collection, and if we drilled this hole larger, that would provide a place for the chips to fall into. So that's something for next time. So going through our 8 steps, we have step 1, location. Slide the board in. Make sure it hits this edge here. Now it's located. And that is, step 1 is input. Step 2 is location. We've taken care of both of those. Then we have the fixturing step, which originally my idea was to use this hole to index it by placing the drill bit in there. But my professor pointed out that we could use these corners to index it as well, as long as we get the corner, well, kind of awkward on this slippy mat with one hand. But if we get the corner in the exact same place every time, then that would be indexed. And so it's fixtured, it's located, it's input into the fixture. And as far as constraint steps, we have these nice corners in the back here that we can clamp down to our bed, and that should constrain the fixture itself. And then for the operation, we just come down with our press, drill the hole, and then to release it, pull it out, set it aside. We have our output, our board with our nice hole that would be drilled in here. And then for our reset stage, we might need to blow some chips out with the compressed air, and then we should be good to go to load another board. So what we could do to improve this fixture is cut this part off because it's not necessary and it just gets in the way. We cut this back part off here, and then it would be easier to load, for example, with an arm or something that just, a robot arm perhaps, that just shoots in there, and then this doesn't get in the way. And then it's pretty awkward to load right now because you have to go straight on. If we cut this off, that would make it a lot easier to load, and then it would also make it a lot easier to butt up against the corner, because right now we kind of have to go, we have to push this side and sort of hold it from here so that we can work it into the corner like that. This board fits pretty nice, but with the smaller board that we actually used in class, it would have been pretty trying to do, more than 5 or 10 boards. So cut that off, drill that out for chip collection. As far as blowout is concerned, there's not really a good solution with this fixture, but one solution we could have done is just to make the fixture open more, or maybe just have like something like this, just a base there, and then the whole rest is open, and so we could place a sacrificial board under it. But I think with a few minor improvements, that this would go from a pretty good fixture to a great one. So thank you.